In this video, we unbox and test the ARRMA KRATON 6S. Oh, check out the air! Want to make some extra cash so you can buy more toys, quit your job, go on more holidays, or maybe build a monster truck? I've got you covered. Check out my course in the description, and I'll show you how to make 100k profit a year. For years, the HBI Savage has been my go-to RC basher. Then came along the mighty Traxxas X-Maxx, and for the past couple of years, this has been the bash weapon of choice. Will the ARRMA KRATON 6S change everything? I don't know, let's get it unboxed and find out. Oh, check it out! Subscribe! This is the first time I've ever seen one of these. So when I buy a new RC car, I'll take these 5 things into consideration. First of all, it's got to have good parts availability. Secondly, it has to be a fun RC. Thirdly, it has to be durable, even if we have to fit some minor upgrade, I don't mind. Ease of maintenance, well, I was going to put cost to start with, but actually I mean value. If it ticks all the other boxes and it's expensive, it can still offer good value. So, with the X-Maxx, for example, parts availability, awesome. And it is my most expensive RC, but it is also my most fun RC. So, because it ticks all the other boxes, value, I would say, is spot on. Me personally, I would be happy to pay double what the X-Maxx costs. And I've done a bit of research on this bad boy before, and it does tick all the boxes apart from a very important one, parts availability. Here in the UK, parts were always really hard to get hold of on these things. The cars were hard to get, the parts were hard to get, and for that reason, I never got one. But now, I have a new distributor, the parts availability is going to be like insane. So, if I can finally tick the last box, why not get one? People have accused me before of being a Traxxas fanboy. But if they tick all the right boxes, then why not? Alright, enough waffling, let's have a look inside this thing. So far, at a first look, what I like about it is it's 6S capable, the shocks look nice, it's got these mud catcher things, it's got this roll cage thing to protect the body a little bit, it comes with XT90 connectors already installed, the body shell's got these little R-clip retainers so you don't lose them. It doesn't have any tie rods on the back, which is the biggest problem on the eRevo 2.0s, is these. They just keep breaking, bending, snapping. I used to have the exact same problem with the HBI Savage until I got rid of them. And this doesn't have them out of the box. Epic! Now, so far what I don't like is the bearings. By the looks of it, there's no rubber shields on there. They're just a metal shielded ones. They're going to fill up with water easy. Apparently, the servos die very early on, but I'm going to give it a fair chance first before I criticise. It feels like there's absolutely no oil in the centre diff at all. But that's an easy fix. The chassis doesn't look very thick at all, and I reckon that could bend fairly easily. We will see. So I'm going to run this thing 100% stock to start with, just to see how good it is right out of the box. What else we got in the box? So, it comes with radio and it feels really cheap, but we'll see how we get on with it. XT90 connectors for your batteries, extremely useful instructions, tools, shock pistons, high-speed gearing, and a gearing chart. So, just as a size comparison, we've got my Traxxas X-Maxx here and the Traxxas eRevo here. And it looks to be almost the exact same size as the eRevo, but the X-Maxx does dwarf it. Alright, so I'm going to go and find some batteries, charge them up, put them in, then we'll take it for a little spin and see what our first thought is. Oh, check it out, guys. My brand new Fluorion's fit in there. These are a little bit longer than normal sort of car batteries. Only trouble is they're soft case. And the corner of it's a bit exposed, so it might be dangerous. Who cares? Alright, so ARRMA first outing, completely stock. Oh! It's actually stable. It jumps so smoothly. Oh, oh, first crash. First crash. All right, can we clear the sandpit? Here we go, sandpit jump. Oh, easy. That made it so easily. Guys, this is actually fun. Backflip. Nailed it. Oh. Oh. This is fun. It handles well, it jumps well, it's stable. I can't wait to get this to the skate park. Oh, check out the air. Oh. We gotta find the skate park, dude. This is gonna be a weapon on the skate park. Oh, made it! Oh, kind of. Oh, I forgot to bring my GPS, but we can do a speed run anyway. I reckon that's probably about 40. I can just cane it and it's not falling over. Easy. Alright, flash out. Oh. Recovery. Oh no. Oh, maybe. Oh, it done it. Ah. I was a bit sceptical of these tyres to start with, but they're actually good, man. Oh, in the face. Oh, guys, camera battery went flat and I couldn't get any more footage. But overall, guys, I love it. It's brilliant. It handles well. It jumps well. It's so well balanced in the air. It's just, I don't know, guys. I really like it. I'm sold. I was a bit sceptical with these tyres to start with. Kind of slide it and drift it around without it sort of digging in. It handled well. I mean, I'm going to stiffen up the centre diff a little bit. I mean, it wasn't as bad as I thought it would. I thought the front wheels were really going to balloon up, but it wasn't anywhere near as bad as what I thought it was going to be. But I'm definitely going to stiffen up the centre diff a little bit. The other trouble, I did notice the steering didn't really centre up quite right. I kept playing with the trim, trying to get the steering to be straight, but then it would be sort of going a little bit that way, and then later on it would go a little bit that way. So maybe that's a little sort of, you know, maybe a little negative point. But overall, guys, I'm super impressed. And I've done a little bit of research, and people have said, like, these are a bit of a weak spot here. The turbos are a weak spot, but we'll give it a bit of time. We'll see, and we'll modify this thing as time goes on. Now, is it my new favourite RC car? I mean, it's still early days, guys, and it's hard to say. If I was to compare this to this and make a choice, I would say so far I'd go with this one. I mean, I would say it handles better. It definitely seems better balanced when it's in the air. All the throttle and brake seems a lot more nice on this one. It seems to roll over a lot less. I mean, this thing here, it tends to roll over a lot easier. But the plus point with this is that it's got the self-right button. So if it does roll over, you can hit the button, you can right it. This, even if you do it yourself, it hasn't quite got enough speed in it. This one seems a little bit faster at the moment, but this one's geared quite low. So I don't know, we're going to play about with it a little bit and we'll see. So this versus X-Maxx, I mean, I'm still going to go with the X-Maxx, guys. This is my favourite RC car. I've never had an RC car that I've had so much fun with. It's so versatile. I like the size, I like the durability, I like the handling, I like the stunts you can do with it, backflip it off of trees. So this thing's like in a league of its own. You know, I don't think there's anything out there by any other manufacturer that can sort of compete. I mean, size-wise, it dwarfs these two. And yeah, you can get 1/5 scale cars, but they're so big and heavy, and they're just like a flying pig. They don't really jump well. This is still my all-time favourite. So, still got a lot of testing to do. We want to take this to a skate park, BMX track. I really want to air this thing out. I mean, I've been seeing some videos on the internet of people really jumping these things stupidly high, and they're sort of taking the abuse. And if I can do that with mine, guys, I'll be over the moon. It may well be my new go-to sort of like skate park basher. It's never going to replace the X-Maxx, you know, this thing's in a league of its own, you know, as I said, all the size and everything. But it's something to like really air out, possibly, we'll see. So far, guys, I'm over the moon. I'm super happy with it. I'm glad I've bought it. Price-wise, it's good. I mean, durability so far is good. The handling's good. It does kind of tick all the boxes on the list so far. So time will tell. So, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash the bell button to stay notified. Let me know what upgrades I should do on that. And also, guys, let me know in the comments what you recommend I should put into the centre diff. Alright, guys, see you soon. Bye.